Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Another day of big price movement, big volume. But to summarize today's price movement in just trading jargon, this is what would be known as just a big old gap and trap. What do I mean by that in case you're new to trading the markets? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there, and then it opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a good-sized gap up. After the opening bell rang, the price behaved like it wanted to be all strong, got all the way up there, and then that's also where things got just savage. There was a bunch of poor souls that were buying up around this area, and you can see from there, it was just basically straight down the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that's taken place, which now brings about what I would definitely consider a must-hold area of support, and that level is down there at 81.50. And there's no fancy logic behind this at all, other than the fact of if the price were to continue to drop, get down to 81.50 and then break through there, that is then all of a sudden putting it down below this key area of support previously. And then when I extend this out, look what that would be doing to the price. That would literally be putting the price at levels that have not been seen for quite literally months upon months upon months. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but yeah, that is why in my mind that 81.50 mark, very, very important level of support to watch next week. If there is any sort of attempted bounce in the upwards direction, main area of resistance is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average. You can see that's essentially right there if you go through the course of time where that level has over and over again struggled. So I'm not saying that purple line can never be broken. I'm just saying it's become very, apparent that apparently that's going to be, the main battleground in the stubborn level from the resistance side of things. But yeah, absolute gap and trap today, but we'll see how things play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.